Happy 78th Independence Day to everyone. I was told that if it's raining and I'll be saved of making a speech, but then since I've prepared a little speech, so I think I should go ahead. On this occasion of 78th Independence Day of our mother nation, I stand before you with immense pride and reverence. My heartfelt congratulations to all. The revered land of Punjab and Haryana are haloed by the martyrs of our freedom struggle, including luminaries like Lala Lajpat Rai, popularly known as Punjab Kesari, Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Udham Singh, and many more. The mere thought of their valor and bravery ignites sparks of patriotism. Punjab, a land steeped in history and valor, has also been a cradle of some of India's most illustrious fighters like Maharaja Ranjit Singh, founder and first empire, who was Sher Punjab. Lala Lajpat Rai's impassioned speeches and tireless efforts galvanized masses against the colonial rule. Hari Singh Nalwa, the Commander-in-Chief of Sikh Khalsa Fauj, expanded the frontiers of Sikh Empire beyond the Indus River, right up to the mouth of Khyber Pass. And Kartar Singh Sarabha, a driving force behind Ghadar movement. Their unwavering dedication, sacrifices and courageous acts have left an indelible mark on the nation's struggle for freedom. Haryana, on the other hand, is the sacred land where epic battle of Mahabharata was fought, which became witness to recitation of the world's most revered holy book, Bhagavad Gita. The land where the three famous battles were fought at Panipat, which changed the course of history of Indian peninsula. The bar and bench are the pillars of judiciary. Symbiotic relationship between the bar and bench is the bedrock of our institution. Though I have joined recently, but I have noticed that members of the bar are not only courteous, but very well prepared. The bar members exhibit unwavering dedication and resolve in their quest for justice. Their commitment of upholding the law and championing their clients' causes is appreciable. Dedication of members of bar nurtures public confidence in the legal system and reinforces the rule of law. The work culture of this court is setting exemplary standards for entire nation. The management and disposition of cases are conducted with utmost diligence. Furthermore, for the convenience of general public, the status of each case is promptly updated online in a time-bound manner. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the officers and employees for their exemplary efforts, which has significantly contributed to the high disposal rate. My esteemed sister and brother judges single-handedly responsible for increasing the disposal to the extent that our High Court is one of the very few High Courts where the figures of disposal surpass the figure of institution. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all my colleagues on the bench, who, despite being 54 in number, as against a sanction strength of 85, have tirelessly worked to decrease the pendency at the rate of almost 10,000 cases in the last 6 months. Thus, on this Independence Day, let us remember and honor the sacrifices of our ancestors, but let us also look forward and hope, with hope and determination, dedicating ourselves anew to a new nation's service. Let us strive to create an India that is not only developed, in terms of technology and economy, but flourishing in its human values. An India that pays homage to its past through its progress. An India where every citizen upholds the legacy of those who laid down their lives for our freedom. I convey my sincere thanks to my fellow judges, both serving and retired, and their spouses, our dedicated staff, and the esteemed members of the bar for their generous presence. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lordship. Let us now take a moment to immerse ourselves in the spirit of patriotism to the Bar of Music. We have amongst us students from Snehalya School, Chandigarh, who will now present us.